Hi everyone. Well, in these crazy Yukon thunderstorms that show up, this is why it's extremely important to have extensions from your home right now to save your foundation. And unlike me, you need to make sure that your gutters are properly working. Mine are not. So on the honey to-do list. So take care of the biggest asset you have.